Omukoro gwo kujweka abeegi abagwa bahambuga nkuru z'itendekyereri ahari kahunga bunyonyo mu rurembo orwa Fort Portal. Omuri aba bajwara abeegi bena 67 n'abakazi kandi abashaija ni 27.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, as we celebrate the fourth graduate ceremony of FINS Medical University, I am very pleased to report that we shall be awarding a total of 674, females totaling 467, to about 69%, to 69.2%, males 207, according to 31%.
Arikugamba ha mukoro ogu orokora nka Vice Chancellor w'itendekyereri Dr. Deogratius Mugisha yahabura abeegi aha bintu bingi.
But I believe you have the dynamism required to cope up with the testing environment that requires you to identify and create opportunities for yourselves and others.
Dr. Charles Oraro ori Chancellor w'itendekyereri hona yashaba ko amaani gateebwe ha kutendeka abeegi ahandu arezire kukizayo kutegana sense.
To think of training in the areas of emerging global health challenges. All of you know what happened. We had COVID, we had Ebola, Marburg, Rift Valley fever. So, as countries, and Uganda is positioned in the belt, and there is a high risk of these outbreaks happening.
We are asking government, FINS Medical University is here, and is seeking for your support. Maybe a quarter of what was given to that investor.
Victoria Karenzo mukama wa FINS Medical University nagira ngo amaani gateekwa mu kukwatiraho amatendekeraga omuze gw'abantu kugumana birukanyira mu mahanga gaheru kutunga obujanjabi nikija kuho.
So if we can afford to go out for medical treatment and pay, why can't we afford to build hospitals here and have those whites come here and we employ them and they treat us because we pay them there?
Omuganda bebembezi ba Western Kore Diocese bashabira abahuru kweyongerayo kuza kushoma na munonga emishomo ekwatirine n'ebyesente n'okutebeekanisiza nyensi ekintu kirabayambe obutabonabona nyensya bari kwitwa obworo
kabasa kwikurizinga entasya aha rurengo rweka wotakubasa kutebeekanisa je no kureberera esente zawe.
Abahura babashomesibwe ebintu ebikwatirine n'esente okwetebeekanisiza kuhumura n'ebindi bingi omuri shema.
So washobora kora mutachikoza kanisa kukuchikoreka kora hizo kuchikoro wawe chakora uchikora kanisa na kora atachira kanisa wachikora uchipushi usitware kai usitware wawe.
I'm really humbled to say you are fulfilling even God's commandments because we are not created just to be there but to add on what was created.
Bamwe mu bahura bashomera omushomo ogu basimira Ruhanga habo kubigura misho bakaranzya ahari.
First and foremost, okukoresa je resources, especially nk'emyanya y'okushangabera yotirekera kukoresa tubwine obukugu obukubasa kukoresa resources ezo zikahwera churches zeitu za Kristo
twegere okutwakubasa kutebeekanisa za budget zitu ez'amakanisa na nezitu nk'abantu omu maka gitu yatwegesa okutwakubasa kukoresa je ebikwato by'ekanisa.
Nebere ng'omuntu yatasomera omusomo ogu aine kihanga kyari kuferwa na munonga nk'abahereza bagenzi banje ogumusha ogw'okusoma twagutungire mwije mushome ahabo okusoma ogu nikuyamba nk'omuntu.
Ogubira omurundi gw'okubanza kubangura n'okushomesa abahura omu mishomo y'ebyesente omu dayosisi ya Western Kore. Gashakwa John Ntusingwire na Abraham Muganzi.